provide a quick access to the OPS system. Here is the icon, just click it, and we can directly go to the OPS system.
And first, we have some quick access to other parts. We use 5 fingers to touch the screen, and it will show the floating board. And the functions in the floating board can be customized. Like we just press on it, and it will have many applications options here. And we can replace some of them, just like this. And also we have the set bar here. It can provide some quick access, like if we go to the home page directly, and we go to the multitask to find the traces before. And also there we have an annotation. If we want to emphasize some part at any time, we can just circle it, and it can be also erased, transferred, and so on. In the set bar list, we can open the internet to connect the Wi-Fi, hotspot, Bluetooth, and so on. And also can adjust the volume and brightness. Here we can see we have the multiple windows. There are many applications here. If the application has the blue echoing the right color, it means that it can be minimized in the page. Just press it, and we can see this is a small window, and it can also be moved anywhere. And it can be added to many small windows like this, and it can be in different parts. If you want to in the half part of them, just click the right left corner, and this one is the same. We can see this is the split the screen.
And we provide some quick access to some other pages. This is the main page of our internet system. And just a slide. We can see this is the welcome page. Sometimes in the meeting room, we want to welcome our customers or other people to show our respect. Just a slide, we can see this page. And back to the main page. And also we provide the quick access to OPS page through slide.
Okay, after learning about some quick access, let's look at the software in it. First is the most recommended used whiteboard. Now let's introduce the whiteboard. Whiteboard is the most used software in our daily classroom or period. And we have many functions at the bottom. The first is the pen. The pen has 2 choices. One is the small part, the other one is the big part. We give the small pen the right color, we give the big pen the right color. If you want to write something directly, like this, and if you want to emphasize, just use another side to circle them. And we have different types of pen, like we have the recognizer pen. One is the text recognizer pen, like we write UV, write letter T. It can be recognized directly. And also we have the shape recognizer pen. We draw a circle here. It can be recognized as circle. Okay, for the erase part, we have 3 kinds of erasers. The first is directly, and the second one is just circle some parts and making it disappear. Because sometimes we write a lot of things on it. We didn't want to clean the whole page and like all of them will disappear. And also we can insert some different shapes on it, like draw a line, and also there are some shapes and 3D shapes like this. This is very convenient for the mathematical class. And if you want to select some part and make some change, just use this button and choose this.
the whiteboard, we can also go to other signal source. Like this, we can go to the OBS directly through the whiteboard.
And also we can insert the main site. This is the main site, and we can use the selection part. The color can also be chosen. It can be copied. And if you choose a single table, it can be added like this. And sometimes we want to make some elections, and we have the voting part here. We can insert the voting subject and give the options 1, 2, and that's it. We can choose a single choice and multiple choice. And using a cell phone to scan this QR code, you can have a voting, and the result will be shown on this. Thank you. And also we have a timer to control the time. Here we have a little icon. It's a different after we click. If it is just like this, it means that it can support more than one people right on it simultaneously. But if we choose this one, it means that it can only support one pin. And it can make it bigger and smaller to change the size of what we wrote. And we have a little icon here. 2, 3, 4. It means that it can support switch the screen. Like this is 2. 2 people can write on it at the same time and to choose the color and sizes. And at this part, it can support up to 4 screens. Like this. 4 people write on it simultaneously. It can be used in the classroom when you want to let more students to write on the board, so we can have 4 screens to support. And here we have many other functions, like we can open a file, save a file, add a new file, and we can upload the file to the Google Drive and OneDrive to support our files. And also we can make some settings to change the background, like change the color, change the grid, and if you want to insert some pictures to customize the background, you can also here add some pictures what you want. And this green color is very suitable for the classroom because it can protect the students' eyes. At the same time, in our classroom and meeting room, the screen sharing part is also important. So we have provided this one to share the screen. If your phone is the iPhone, your iOS system, just use the mirroring to make sure that your phone and this app are in the same level, and you can just share your screen directly. See, the screen sharing is success. If your phone is Android system, just scan this code to download an application, and use that application you can directly share a screen in it. And also we have provided some other functions like the easy upload. Sometimes you want to upload some files on it, just use your cell phone to scan the QR code